Something's coming. It's wind or heavy rain. You can hear it coming. Well, getting a little wet behind me. May have to go inside, I might get wet. I had to move. Shutting off. Yeah, he's in there crying because he knows I'm right here. Hope Snoopy's not scared. You alright now? Snoopy's scared of thunderstorms now. I should go in there with him. Oh, got a drip. Oh boy, I left the dog's bed outside. I forgot I put it over there. Oh well. It's on the picnic table. Getting lighter out already. Maybe it's not going to be too bad. Brightening up. Letting up. I had to put a bungee on that to keep it pulled in because it was blowing out and the water was running on the inside of the tarp. Should have two of them, but I had that one sitting here. So I'll know one I can put to that water jug, and the other one I'll put to this water jug at night time. It's working out good. Staying pretty dry in here. Oh, it's cooled off though. That's what I was hoping for. Oh, the weather reports I got said it's still going to be like only low of 60 or something, 63, 64, or 62. Well, I guess that's better than last night. It was 73 all night. Yeah, I mean how bright this is. It lets a lot of heat when the sun's out. It makes it hot in here. So I'm going to put that other cover on here. And all these Velcro things are leaking. The seams are leaking. Which don't matter. And it looks like the seam up there is leaking. I'm sitting here and I'm dry. Sometimes this middle seam leaks. Just needs seam sealer. This one's a couple years old now. When I have to get a new one, I'll put seam sealer. Well, now it's getting real bright out. This worked out good. Didn't get wet at all. And I like having this smaller tarp here. I mean, it really didn't come in. The rain came from that way. And this one's easy to... I just flop it up over the top when it's nice. And I just unhook right there to go in and out. Instead of having the big green one, I can get more airflow and stuff, because this don't matter if it gets wet. It's working out well. I'm nice and dry. I don't miss that other awning at all. The other awning I used to get really wet under. It's worked out pretty well. just sprinkling right now. Sounds like the storm passed. It's bright out, so I guess that's it for this storm. We'll see if we get any more today.